Hi everyone, as we get into Module 3, we're going to continue the discussion about connection cultures. And you may think that this isn't really very important to how teams work together, but I have to tell you I'm working with a client right now and we're working on team building, and everybody in their team works really well separately, and then they merge all their stuff together, so it's kind of a divide and conquer approach. But that's not real teaming. Real teaming is when you get to collaboration. And that really requires empathy and understanding of the other people on your team. You don't have to be their best friend, but you do have to understand a little bit about them, their work style, maybe some of their personal quirks, who knows, but it's really important to get to know your teammates as well. So in this module, you explore that a little bit more and also go into the concept of vision and values, and voice is another piece that's included in this. Again, in order for a team to know where they're going, they have to be able to understand what the vision is and what the values are. So that will be emphasized in this as well. And you can relate this to your team project, again, because everybody in a team is essentially a leader. So at some point you have some responsibility too to identify the vision for the team. And also we identify some values and talk about voice and how important that is. So for instance, with this first project you're working on, which is a paper, what is your vision for the paper? Do you want to get an A or do you want to get a C? What do you value? What do you value as you work together as a team? And how will people have voice and how will they express it? So this all relates to the teamwork that you're doing. In addition to that, you'll be doing watching another video by Sherry Turkle about connected but alone, and just the impact of social media and the extent to which that actually helps or hinders relationships. There's another discussion question, another quiz, and then an opportunity also for you to give some feedback. The discussion this week is having you look at your social media profile. Just Google your name and see what comes up. If you have a common name, it's probably less concerning. But if you have a really unusual name, the world can find you really easily. And what does it say about you? And is that what you want to put out there? So it's kind of a fun topic for us to talk about in the discussion too. So as usual, questions, concerns, let me know.